Everybody see me okay over here?
Yeah, we can see you. That's great. This is what I was talking about. This is literally where he's presenting from. You can see the microphone there below the A and the H in Yamaha. And yeah, there you go. And what's cool now, that of course is right above where he was presenting from. But what Tim's going to show us is how when he walks around that room, how amazing that pickup is. So go ahead, Tim.
Yeah, so let me tell you a little bit about this space. This is a 1,500 square foot metal building behind my house here in Austin, Texas. This camera can make distances look a little funny, so let me go over some dimensions. This is 30 foot wide this way. It's 50 foot deep this way. These are 16-foot walls, and that's a 14 by 14 roll-up door for reference. My son and I mounted the microphone right here at about 10 feet. In a typical 8 to 10-foot installation, you're going to cover about a 25 by 25 area with this microphone. And with this camera, that's about what you're looking at. This is about a 25 by 30 that you can see. The other half of my shop is out of range. Now, with the dynamic beam, I could literally walk anywhere in here without a clip-on microphone and talk about all the different projects I've got going. In fact, I've done podcasts in here where I do just that, talk about this motorcycle, what I got going on over here. Now, right over here, I've measured. I'm right at the edge of that 25 by 25 footprint. This chair right here is about 13 feet off center. So I'm kind of right at that cusp of that pickup area. Now I'm going to give you an example of the automatic gain control within this microphone. We've all had that experience where somebody mumbles at the end of the table. They look down at the floor and spin around in their chair, lean back, and have terrible microphone etiquette. In fact, I'm whispering 13 feet away. And as I bring my voice back up to my normal speaking level, the automatic gain control is going to compensate for that and keep the output to the far end pretty consistent. Now, there's a cool video on our YouTube channel of 4 of my coworkers all talking at the same time, more than you'd ever have in a conference. It's chaotic. But with the dynamic beams on each one of them, you can literally close your eyes and you can pick out each person's cadence and exactly what they're saying because we have active beams on all of them. So for a training room or a reconfigurable space where you're moving your seating arrangements, there's no setup on the audio pickup. Anywhere I go in here, that beam is going to track me. In fact, I'll really stretch the dimensions a bit. This refrigerator is 17 feet off center from that microphone. I've now got my back to it. So in theory, I could be at the end of a 34-foot long table and the person at the other end should sound about the same to you in this environment. In fact, I'm going to stretch it a little further. I'm going to go ahead and step outside. It's kind of an overcast, sunny, not sunny day today here in Austin. Well, a little sunshine on me. It's a light breeze. Trees are moving a bit. I'm literally 20 feet away from the microphone, outside the building, and I'm whispering outside. So it's just an amazing microphone technology. And by the way, fully Teams and Zoom certified. When I walk in here, I can see the LED is green. Part of the Teams certification requires that when I hang up this call, that LED will turn white. So when I walk into a room, I can look at the LEDs and see if this microphone is listening on an active call. And to my left in the rec, just to give you a peek at the ADECIA solution, that's it. That's my entire system. All of these microphone systems within ADECIA are powered by an Ethernet switch, and there's the controller, which I'm using to plug my laptop into USB. You're hearing me through that. There's another peek at the mic from below. Now, my air conditioner turns on and off in here. I have a 5-ton air handler, and those 10-inch air registers blast air past this microphone, but you simply don't hear it. In fact, check it out. I'm now going to mute from this application, same as Teams and Zoom, and you'll see the microphone follow suit and mute as well. So as I mute my mic, unmute my mic. So that's a quick demo, folks, of the RMCG ceiling mic in this 1,500 square foot kind of motorcycle shop home office I've got here.